Welcome to Njenge Media TV. Today is the 16th of September 2020 and today is Wednesday. Exactly 3 days to the election in Edo. But what you're looking at now is APC buying votes in Edo. This is sad and a tragedy. APC is so desperate to retain Edo State that they have started 3 days ahead of time to buy votes. Now you can see in this video, women just give their voters card and they collect wrappers. You can see the cap on the women's, the cap these women have on. It is POI, Pastor Ezeyamo. This is unbelievable that in this day and age, even as America slams visa ban on those that have rigged election in Kogi and those that are planning to rig election in Edo. Even yesterday, we all saw the video made by Tinubu asking people not to vote for Obaseki. Now we ask once more, what is Obaseki's crime? Obaseki's crime is not opening the vote of Edo people to Agbero people. And here we are, again, vote buying. Now tell me how this resembles any atom of what the government is mouthing, that they are fighting corruption, whereas this is the corruption you're talking about. This is corruption tying wrapper. It is indeed also sad that our mothers can actually collect these and sell their souls. I think our mothers must redeem themselves, and the only way they can redeem themselves is by collecting these wrappers that was bought with their money. After all, they did it during the 2019 election with trader money. But if they collect these, they should vote their conscience. Vote against anyone that have given them bribe. This is unbelievable. I don't know the trick that they want to play. Maybe they will keep this voters card and bring them out to ensure that they voted for the right candidate. I don't know. We at Njenge Media will say this is atrocious. This is condemnable. This is disgraceful. And this is unbelievable that President Muhammadu Buhari's party, the APC, is engaging in such illegality. Once more, this is Njenge Media TV. I am your presenter, Mike Udenta. Let's keep watch over what is going to happen in Edo. But as it appears, Edo already has been rigged.
She asked me to bring it. So can I give it to you? I mean, Pastor Joseph should send me a
La 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 la.